Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the EU power flow rising edge detection instruction in INVT PLC. Let's get started. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. First of all, we will take one input, an example X0 we will choose and click OK. If we like to view like to be little, so we can make it little bigger to better display to you, right? Easy to visible. And in this software in AutoStation, this is the different way to use the EU power flow rising edge detection. You can find in the instruction tree in the basic instruction section. This is the rising EU power flow rising edge detection. So let's drop and drag it in the program and look like this same. This will be shown, and next you have to be make the one coil. For an example, we take this M internal memory first bit M0, and in the next row we will take one open contact of the M0. You can click it on this icon element and here M, and here you can change the address M0, and after you will make the output Y0 for an example. First of all, we will download this program into the PLC and let us show you the behavior of this rising edge detection. Rising edge detection. If you like to see the help, how you can go to the help. This is a different way, little help. Click it on this one, rising edge detection, and after at the keyboard you can press function plus F1. After you will got the direct page of the help, yani which command you like to go for help, that you can use. What he says, rising edge detection instruction, function instruction, application intents. He says here, he says compare the change in input energy flow of current scanning and last scanning. When rising edge change occur to energy flow off to on, the output within this scanning cycle is veiled. So practically how we can test, go to the monitor, and when I press this X0, you can see nothing will happen. You cannot see the value state of M0 on or off because of this is scan time is very small in the micro milliseconds. So how we can verify this rising edge detection command? So again we will stop the monitoring and we will make it here M0 with the latch system. This we will be delete and little go more, and now here we can make this Y0, and here we will take the close contact of my X1 for example I will take, and here we will be take one line, and here we will take the open contact of the Y0. This is look like will be latch system. In previous video already I explained how we can make the latch system, but now we will make the latch system with the help of this rising edge detection command. So now almost this program is now completed. Again we will be download this program into the PLC and click yes again to the download, and again click yes, and now we will monitor the program. And now when you see, I will press the X0, still M0 will be not shown, but our Y0 will be hold, and you can see. Now I am pressing the X0, you can see our Y0 is now on. And again I will press the X1, you can see our Y0 is now off. So this rising edge detection have a small microseconds yani pulse giving. When this pulse giving, after you can use this system in the any physical output when you like to be make it hold. So this way you can hold the output. Again I will press the X0. You can see X0 signal showing, but M0 signal is not showing. But our output is now, you can see this is Y0 on. And again I will M0 when make it M0, sorry, X1 when I give the signal. After you can see this hold will be finished and Y0 is now off. And have a one more way to verify this command. This also we will be verify. I will show you. Repeat this one, and this you can delete from here. This is the line, and this is X1 we will be delete also this X1 and Y0. Again we will take it here M0. This is we will be use to like this set command. You can make it here. This is the set and element which is M0. Okay, now this you can see M0 and set, and here we will be type one more contact for the X1, and here rising edge also we will be use, and next we will be take the reset command, and here element we will be go M0 we choose, yeah, M0. Now you can see M0 we will make the set and reset. In the next row we will make the M0 open contact, and here we will be take one output Y0 for an example. And now same logic means set reset and latch unlatch. This both system are same, but you can verify. Recompilation and download again to the PLC and click yes, and again go to the monitor. And now I will press this X0, giving the little rising edge to the M0, and after M0 holds our Y0. You can see now M0 is on and our Y0 is now on. Same function, but logic will be different. Now again I will press the X1 to reset our M0. This is rising edge, so I will give one X1 again. You can see our Y0 is now off. One more time I will give the signal at X0. You can focus on the M0 set condition. See, this is on, and X1 when press this will be off. So this way you can use this the rising edge detection command in the INVT PLC. So hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.